Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? You are watching FL Institute, and this is your English instructor Sunny with you all. I hope you will be fine and you will be spending your life like a joyed bird. So, today I'm gonna teach you a very essential topic which is all about grammar focus. But before moving toward the topic, I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So, let's step ahead toward the topic. The topic which I'm going to explain, that is article. That is articles. In English, there are two types of article. The first one is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. I will explain two types of articles step by step with definitions. So let's step ahead toward the definite article. So, definite article. The is definite article. The or the. The is used with someone specific or unique. Or the is used to refer particular noun. It can be used with both singular or plural noun. Definite article is the. The. It is definite article. So let's step ahead toward the examples, and I hope you have gotten definite article. So let's step ahead toward the examples. Examples are very simple. Like the first one is the moon. The moon. Moon is particular, specific thing. So that's why we use the. So the moon. The students. Students are particular. So the students. The air. Air is also particular. The air. The rainbow. Rainbow is also specific thing. So this is the main reason that we have used the with rainbow. We cannot use a rainbow. We have to use the. Definite article with noun. The rainbow. Rainbow, noun. The noun. The rainbow. The rainbow. So I hope you have gotten definite article. So let's move ahead toward the indefinite article. Indefinite article tells us something non-specific. Tells us something non-specific. It is used to modify non-particular noun. There are two indefinite articles, a and an. So let's step ahead toward the a. A is used with nouns that begin with consonant sound. For example, a bag, a pencil, a car. So these are the examples of A. A bag, a pencil, a car, a hand fan, a mic, a mobile, and you can use a bolster, a handkerchief, a prayer mat. You can use indefinite article with consonant sound. So I hope you have gotten indefinite article, which is a. So let's move ahead toward the n. N is used with nouns that begin with vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an old man. An apple, an egg, an old man. So these are the examples of n, which begins with vowel sound. With vowel sound we have to use n, and with consonant sound, when there is consonant sound, you have to add a before noun. When noun start with vowel sound, you have to add n before noun. So in n, like n is vowel sound. When there is vowel sound like a, e, I, o, u, so you have to add n with the noun when there is vowel sound. But when if there is consonant sound, you have to use a before noun. When there is consonant sound. So I hope you have gotten my point of view about articles. So this is all for today. If you have any question related to this topic, you can just comment me in the comment box below, and like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So this is all for today. Thanks for being a part of this class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.